If you want to see which data fields are included in the P1 message, you can obtain an overview from our Bitbucket repository at this URL. You can download the Excel file from here. To see what's in the P1 message, go to the 5th sheet in the file and you find all the details. There's information on field names, data field descriptions, an indication of field type, and whether or not a data field is mandatory to be included in a P1 message. The first section in the overview lists the data fields relevant for authors and their affiliations. For each author, relevant information is included at author level. First their name, their ORCID ID and credit roles, and also indication at author level on whether or not they're the corresponding author and what their listing order in the version of record is. Then detailed information on their affiliations as relevant for the publication, as printed in the version of record, and as relevant current address. There can be more than one affiliation for an author. If you scroll down, you find a section with article level metadata, with applicable journal metadata valid at publication, version of record. Here you find, amongst others, a field for the title of the article published, for the article type, and fields for the names and identifiers of the research funders of the underlying research. There are separate fields for important editorial dates, manuscript submission, acceptance, and article publication date. Also in this section are fields for information about relevant preprints, the article DOI, the license under which the article was published, and information on the journal that the article was published in. In the third section, in the overview, it shows the data fields relevant for the financial settlement at article level if applicable. This includes data fields for applicable deal, APC, and other charges and discounts. There's indication whether or not there is a prior agreement in place between the sender of the message and the recipient, and whether or not the article for which the message is sent is charged to the recipient of the message. If there was an invoice for the APC, data fields for details on the transaction are available.